第3次为了耶稣基督的福音，又一次被关进了监牢里。
And then I was again arrested and thrown to prison second time, and then I was thrown to prison for third time.
那是神给我生命之中一个最强的呼召，就是中国教会的意向，把福音传回
And
耶
then
路
the
撒冷。
third time I was arrested in China was because of the vision that God gave to His church in China. You have a ministry, you have a mission to bring the gospel to every nation between China and Jerusalem, all the way back to Jerusalem. God show us a vision because of what Jesus has done. He will unify the sons of Ishmael and the sons of Isaac, and they will come together in Jesus Christ.
正当我们热心要把福音传回耶路撒冷的时候，第3次我又再次为了耶稣的名关进监牢。
movement out from China to all these countries, the authorities surrounded our meeting and we were all arrested.
那是我印度福音的任务关进监牢，2条腿也被打断了。
And in the torture during the early days in the security prison, they crushed my both legs from ankles. I said, you're never going to walk again.
我的妻子和同工们也因主耶稣的名都被
And
关
my
进监
dear
牢里。
wife was also arrested and thrown to another prison with female prisoners, and all my closest co-workers were captured with me, and we were brought to the same prison.
我和我的妻子，我们有2个孩子。我的儿子说，第一次在监牢里的时候他出生的。
I have 2 children. My son Isaac was born into our family when I was already in the prison first time.
我第2次在监牢里的时候，我的女儿刚刚出生，只有6个月。
And my daughter was 6 months old when I ended up second time in prison.
我的妻子今天也在我们中间，也叫我。
And my dear wife, Sister Darling, is here under the umbrella.
当时我在监牢2条腿打断时，我有更多的想不通，我又跪视。
I was in complete disagreement with the Lord when they crushed my both legs with a sledgehammer.
我真的完全活在这种灰心沮丧
I
和
was
绝
so
望之中。
wounded and so filled with fear. I thought my life is over.
我有很多的问，为什么？
I had
神啊，
so many
为
questions
什么
about？why, Lord, why did you allow this to happen to me?
弟兄姊妹，今天我们来到这里，
Brothers and sisters, we have come here to this place.
耶稣知道我们是在寻找这位为我们钉十字架的耶稣。
And He knows that you are all looking for this Lord who is crucified for our sins and who is now risen Lord.
他不在这里，他已经从死里
He
复
is
活了。
not here anymore. He is resurrected